The brute force system is designed for truck and domestic V8 applications, to be honest with you. And it utilizes a heat shield. It places the air filter in the engine bay because that's safest. A guy that uses a truck may ford deep water, and we don't want to have any chance of ingesting water into the engine. So it's up, the air filter intake source is up high, and there's a heat shield to keep the engine bay air from intruding on the intake air source. And we use the same thermocouples. We do the same type of temperature studies in order to make sure we get the coldest air to the intake.